Alright, so what's up bros and peeps? So ngayon po, i-bike check po natin ang Revel Rail ni POVteer. Spears different po, ayan po. Revel Rail 165mm. Alright, let's get into it.
Hear the sound of the bells when the Lord gone, and the boys unleash hell when the war's on. Bloodthirsty when the dogs put their paws on. You gon' tell them that it go a little bit up. Everybody ask me how I know. I started living since you told me so. I know. Everybody ask me how I know. I started living since you told me so. I know.
Start po tayo sa cockpit. Meron po tayong Deity stem at cane clip na headset. Yan. At ang handlebars po naman natin ay Deity BF800. At ang brake levers po natin ay Shimano SLX at Shimano Dior XT na rear shifter. Ayan. At baba po tayo dito. Meron po tayong Ohlins RX F36 170mm travel fork. And dito po, rotors po natin ay Shimano RT66 203mm front rotor. Meron po tayong Shimano SLX brake calipers for front. At dito naman po tayo, meron po tayong, ang front hub po natin ay Hope Pro 4. Ayan, Hope Pro 4 po ang hubs. At ang front rims po ay Stance Flow. Ayan. Front tires ay Maxxis Medium DHF 27.5 by 2.50. Okay. Naman po tayo. Meron po tayong Selenecar na saddle. At Shimano Pro 4 rack dropper post. Tapos tayo dito, Rock Shock Super Deluxe 165 travel rear shock. Alright. At Shimano SLX cranks and Shimano Saint pedals. Yan. Same pedals. And back here we have Dior XT rear derailleur, okay. Dynasis 2. At ang ating rear rotors ay Shimano RT66 180mm at Shimano SLX na rear brake calipers. At syempre ang rear hub po natin ay Hope Pro 4 din. Rear tire Maxxis Medium DHF 27.5 by 2.50 and Stance Flow rims. At ang frame po natin ay Revel Rail 165mm. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. So thank you din po kay Kuya Stephen for lending us this bike, Revel Rail, for bike check for our channel. And subscribe din po kayo sa channel niya, POVteer. Nilagay ko po ang link sa description. And thank you for watching. See you on the next video, guys.